Hi, how you doing?
Talk to me.
My name's David. I've been treated for migraines for over 20 years. I've been to pain clinics, neurologists, without a lot of success.
Have you tried specialized headache centers?
Yes, I've been to three headache centers.
Can you tell me? Can you describe your migraine headaches?
Mine are located behind my right eye. That's where the pain intensifies. It can last anywhere from 12 to 48 hours. They're disabling.
How often would you get them?
Oh, during a good week would be 2 or 3 in a week, and then they would last as long as they last.
How long would that usually be?
Oh boy, I was lucky if I got away with less than 24 hours. They didn't end that quickly.
What other symptoms did you notice during these migraine headache
There's a
periods?
sensitivity to light, to noise, nausea, tearing of the eye.
Any mental changes, mental clouding, or
Oh, sure, yeah.
fatigue?
Difficult to read. Even thinking seems to hurt when you're doing it, just because you're using your brain for another function. And during the period, it hurts terribly.
What kind of medications have you tried?
Oh, well, I've done the prophylactic route: anti-seizure medicines, depression medicines, blood pressure medications, with limited success.
Have you tried triptans?
Yes, I've worked with Imitrex. With hit and miss results. Times it was helpful, other times absolutely nothing.
How helpful was it when it was helpful?
It would help alleviate some of the pain, some of the discomfort. Never aborted a headache. That never happened.
How was your life compromised by your headaches?
It's difficult to function. When the pain sets in, you're stuck on a chair somewhere until it's over.
We started treating with Migaine. Can you tell me your experience with that?
Oh my gosh! Well, the first time that I had the treatment, it was instantaneous. You know right away. It's like a freshening. My head just felt so much better. It was the first time I had not experienced pain in years. It was almost unbelievable.
What other changes did you notice when we treated you? Did your thinking change? Did your mental clarity change?
Yeah,
Vision, eyesight?
You just everything seems to get a little better without the pain, and with the way to control it the way this did. Less headaches, and it makes it easier to cope when you do have the occasional headache. It's much easier to deal with.
Now, you would have headaches quite frequently in the past.
Yes.
Now we've been treating now for several months.
Yes. It's been almost 5 months.
So tell me, what's happened during that 5 months that's different?
Oh my gosh. Well, it's you just feel better. Things get better. You can be more active. You don't worry about the headaches as much because they're not as frequent, and it's just a different world altogether. Different mindset altogether.
Did you notice that the headaches became less frequent or less severe?
Yes, they are definitely less frequent. Severity is lessened and the duration is lessened.
How much so would you say?
Oh my gosh. It's always tough to quantify it, but I would probably say 75–80% less headaches, to the point where you don't track your life based on when you had your last headache, because it's just not such a front burner issue.
Do your family and friends notice a significant difference?
Yeah. I think they noticed right away from my first treatment that they saw a change, and then you have to almost believe that this is possible, that it can change and make things better.
Great. Any side effects?
No, that's one thing I've not. I've experienced side effects with the prophylactic treatments, but no, I have never. Just no side effect other than feeling better, if that's a side effect.
So our treatments were basically weekly to bi-weekly or even monthly?
Yes, we were doing. It was about every 2 weeks. I think at one time I had seen you for a stretch every week for maybe the first month, and then we went to 2 weeks, and now we're working on once a month.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Okay, thanks.